back everyone, welcome back everyone to this cold day. Just get some gas. Look at the price of this shit. See that price? Holy fuck, it's regular. Need some gas. My rental. Oh, it's cold. Hopefully I didn't see my fucking password. Yeah, that works. Yeah, welcome to Canada, guys. This is cold out here. I think I just heard a Subaru. Yeah, my hands are getting cold. I'm going back in the car. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Doing a quick walk on this here. New project coming soon, no worries. Should this be the donor card for project report? Who knows? Who knows? Chunky. Keep going. Oh yeah. Right now we're at the shop, Pro-Spec. Ultimate shop for your Hondas. Any customization for Honda. Look at the gorgeous work. Look at this. Just look at the work. Craftsmanship in this place is beautiful. How long have you been coming here now, Jay? Since your old shop in Markham. 17 years. Holy crap. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Bigger turbo this year? Or same size, right?
72 mil. That's the 72.
This is 72 mil.
I'll keep it the same.
Yeah. What's the goals this year?
Low eights?
Yeah. Look at this, guys. Any customization you guys want for your Hondas, as you can see, CRX, Accords, Integras, anything. Beautiful Hondas over here. I can't wait. I'm gonna bring my Accord over here. Bring my Accord and we're gonna do some work. Plans in the making. Watch, guys. Just look at this DA. Low eights. I seen this car when it was nothing. Huh, Jay? I seen the transformation on this, bro. Oh man.
Long road, man.
Long road. There it is right there, guys. Pro-Spec Racing. The man himself is Jay. Say what's up, Jay.
What's up?
That's his baby right there, low eights. What's going on with this? This is unusual.
Nyron's car, man.
Nyron?
Yeah. Go harder the setup at the back.
This one right here?
With the hood up at the back.
Yeah. What is the H? This is not a K. It's a B series, right? B18? Look at this, guys. Now, I'm not a genius when it comes to naming motors or anything like that. I learned from the best, which is Jay from Pro-Spec. Some guys off of YouTube. Check it out. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Got that one back there working on. I remember this, bro. You remember this one, bro? Or is this one here? No, it's this one here. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, Jay, I'll be out of here. Oh, there's a T. Oh, back to basics. Can't read. Jay, you're gonna be on here just now. No, CSCS got you out. I seen that. They posted you on on their Instagram.
That class pretty heavy. You
dominate the class,
yeah,
bro.
Always.
Sick.
I don't know about dominating, but we try to get out there.
Soon. All right, Jay.
Later, man.
Nice seeing you, man. Happy New Year, by the way.
You too, buddy.
How's the family? Good?
Good, man. How's your kids?
Oh, they're great. They're huge. My daughter's like right here now. It's crazy, bro. She's only freaking 11 years old. Insane.
In the food, man.
All right. There it is, guys. Pro-Spec. Guys, I don't know if you can see behind. That is an Aston Martin. Oh my gosh. Want it. That is a future car. I'm gonna get this. It's gonna be in my garage one day. V12, 6-speed. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Follow you down anywhere that you go. Oh yeah. What would you guys get? 5 Series competition or this GT? I don't know. I'm getting the GT, guys. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You want a camera? You guys looking at the camera. Sick. Catch the front. Oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. Don't worry. This is beautiful too. Don't get motherfucking twisted, you heard?